Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to set up your Virgin Media Broadband kit. First, locate your Quick Start box and carefully open it. You will find your new broadband hub, its power supply, and all necessary cables. Make sure to also find the small card with your Wi-Fi network name and password. You will need this later. Having everything organized makes the setup process much smoother. Next, let's find the best spot for your hub. Place it in a central, open area, ideally at least 1 meter away from other electronic devices that could cause interference. Now, connect the isolator cable. One end goes into your Virgin Media wall socket, and the other into the corresponding port on the back of your hub. Finally, connect the power supply to the hub and plug it into a mains socket, ensuring all connections are firm. With your cables connected, it's time to power on. Switch on the mains power at the wall socket, then press the power button on your hub if it has one. The hub will now begin its startup sequence, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Watch for the Wi-Fi light to turn solid white. This indicates a stable connection. Most quick start kits activate automatically, but occasionally a brief online step is needed. Now for the exciting part, connecting your devices. Locate the Wi-Fi network name and password, usually found on a sticker on the bottom of your hub or on the separate card. Use these details to connect your smartphones, tablets, and computers wirelessly. For devices like gaming consoles or PCs, you can use an Ethernet cable for a faster, more stable connection. Remember to keep your hub upright and clear for the best Wi-Fi signal throughout your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.